It's a good thing she brought along a friend.
So Jackie, I'm glad you brought along Pat from
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north-central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hebron, or near the colony, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Garland, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Rowlett, Wiley, The Colony, Sac C, Addison, Murphy, Fairview, Lucas, Parker, Hebron, St. Paul, and Louisville Lake. This includes Interstate 35 near mile marker 446. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Okay, so when was the last